Let's make chicken and rice with shiitake mushrooms and Chinese sausages, and all you need is a rice cooker. First ingredient to deal with is dried shiitake mushrooms. We call them donggu. Steep in boiling water for 4 hours. Marinate the chicken with light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and Shaoxin wine. Some sugar so that the flavors will merge well with the Chinese sausages, and some salt to bring out that chicken flavor. Mix well and marinate for at least 30 minutes, or you can marinate it overnight in the fridge. For the rice, I've used Thai rice, or what we also refer to as Jasmine rice. Wash the rice in a separate bowl and don't wash the rice in the rice cooker's internal pot so that you can maintain the non-stick coating. A lot of chefs will tell you to wash the rice until it's clear, but let's be honest, it's never going to be super clear, so just wash the rice until it's clear enough. Drain and pour into the rice cooker. The umami flavor from the mushroom water will flavor the rice so nicely. Pour the shiitake mushroom water into the rice, but make sure the dusty bits aren't included. I've used 3 cups of rice, so I'm going to top up with some filtered water until just below the 3-cup mark, because the juices from the chicken and the marinade will contribute to the cooking of the rice. That's why I didn't want to add too much water. Slice up the rehydrated shiitake mushrooms, and it's okay if there's a little bit of dry spots in the middle. These darker Chinese sausages are liver sausages. They're called yuncheng. The red Chinese sausages are called lapcheng, and they're also made out of pork. The light and sweet flavor of the lapcheng and deep liver flavor of the yuncheng contribute to the joy that you get out of this dish. I cut the sausages diagonally because my mom used to do this, but you can cut in any which way you want. With the dish's presentation, I want all the pieces of chicken to be skin side up. If you open the rice cooker and place the chicken in piece by piece, this will take too long and meddle with the rice's cooking process. So I have devised a way to make it swift and easy. Use a plate that's roughly the size of your rice cooker's internal pot. Then start placing the marinated chicken on top of the plate the way that you want it to be presented. Then when the rice is cooked halfway, about 10 to 15 minutes into the cooking process, add the shiitake mushrooms onto the rice. Then take the plate of chicken and slide it on to the top of the rice. Look how easily it slides in. So satisfying. Then as swiftly as you can, and being careful not to burn your fingers, place the Chinese sausages into the pot as well. Complete the rice cooker program and keep the lid closed for another 10 minutes to ensure the chicken is cooked through. On to the sauce. Some coriander, some chopped bird's eye chilies, some light soy sauce, a little splash of dark soy sauce, and a little bit of sugar just to bind all those flavors together. And the moment of truth, you take your rice cooker, you put it in the middle of the dining table and open it for everybody to see. You can see that the chicken is perfectly cooked and the sausages are nice and glistening. When I was growing up and my mom made this dish, she would always select the person to have the honor to mix the rice. I'd like to take the opportunity now to thank you for watching and remind you that all the recipes are in our comment section below. So all you need to do is copy, paste, and cook. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and please ask any questions or send any requests. And here it is, a traditional home-style one-pot wonder offering a variety of big, meaty flavors waiting to be served at your dinner table. Your new comfort food for everyone to enjoy.
That's so good. You gotta make this.